Are you trying to decide between XTB and Interactive Brokers? You are not alone. Many traders face this choice. In this video, we'll compare these two popular trading platforms. Both offer powerful tools for trading, but they have different features and benefits. XTB is known for its user-friendly interface. It's great for beginners. You can trade forex, stocks, and commodities easily. The platform also provides educational resources. This helps new traders learn the ropes. On the other hand, Interactive Brokers is more suited for experienced traders. It offers a wide range of investment options. You can trade stocks, options, futures, and more. Its advanced tools are perfect for those who want to dive deep into trading strategies. Now, let's look at the key differences. XTB focuses on simplicity and ease of use. It's ideal for those just starting out. Interactive Brokers, however, is designed for serious traders who need advanced features. When it comes to features, XTB offers a solid trading platform with great customer support. Interactive Brokers has powerful tools for analysis and research. It's packed with features like real-time data and customizable charts. Pricing is another important factor. XTB has competitive spreads and no commission on certain trades. Interactive Brokers has a tiered pricing structure that might be more complex but can be cheaper for high volume traders. So, who should choose what? If you are a beginner, XTB is a good fit. It's simple and easy to navigate. If you are more experienced and need advanced tools, go for Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.